Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, another family day, and I'd like to share with you my grilled liempo marinade recipe that you can prepare for your loved ones. Make sure to watch the video until the end to see the secret ingredient of this recipe. Thank you. Let's get started. For our ingredients, we'll be needing calamansi juice, crushed garlic, oyster sauce, and our belly pork or liempo. For our marinade sauce, let's mix in oyster sauce, crushed garlic, and calamansi juice. When all the ingredients are mixed, let it sit for 30 minutes. And I'm going to add pepper for additional flavor. After 30 minutes, we can now add our marinade sauce to our pork belly. Make sure that the pork is soaked in our marinade and let's leave it overnight for a more flavorful barbecue the next day. Now that it's ready to hit the grill, make sure that the fire is equally distributed for a more even cooking or grilling. And now that the pork is on the grill, just make sure to flip it every 5 to 7 minutes to prevent the pork from getting burned. After 20 to 30 minutes, the pork is now ready to be served. You may serve it as a whole just like this, but I prefer it chopped like this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and go and head to your kitchen to try this new recipe. Oh, and for the secret ingredient of this recipe, that would be the basil. Again, thank you for watching. Till next time.